Hello, let's talk about slicing a list. First, to slice something we need to have a list of our iterable. Let's create one. Okay, now we have all words Python letters in a list. We know that we can access any list item by using square brackets and an index position. Let's try to get the first letter. First, let's create k variable and assign it to our list and add square brackets with index position. Let's print. So if we want the second letter, we type 1. Let's create another variable L and print it. And if we want to print every letter, we can use for loop. For I in S, print I. Not to be confused between indexes and slicing positions, let's create a cheat table. Now we can see slice positions and index positions. Let's comment it. Next, let's print some dashes to split our results. We want to see our table and move on with code, so let's split our screen horizontally. I'm using PyCharm. In PyCharm, by double press Shift key, you will access Find Action Search for split horizontally. Let's select it. Now we have two windows. Let's adjust the positions. Okay, now we can move to slicing. With indexes we are getting items and with slices we are getting lists. To do a slice, we define the start and the stop position and separate by colon. If we leave empty stop position, it will go until the end. If we leave empty start position, it will start from the beginning. If we leave starting and stopping positions empty, we will get all the list. And if we define starting and stopping, we will get exactly what we asked. Let's move to examples. First, let's get all the list. Let's try to get first two letters. How about from third letter? And what about from third letter to fourth? Okay, I think you understood. Let's go next. We also have a third position, which is step. Default step is 1, that's why it's not written. Let's expand our cheat table with reverse index position and reverse slice position. Okay, back to steps. Let's add 2. We have first letter P, third T, and fifth O. Let's try adding 3. Now we have P and H. And what if we change starting position to 1? Now we have Y and O. Next thing is that we can use negative values, which means it counts from the end of the list. So let's try using index of -1. You get first letter from the end, and with -2 we get second from the end. Okay, so if we want to get P, we need to type -6. Now let's try reverse slicing. If we want last two letters, we type from -2 to the end. If we want last 4 letters, we type from -4 to the end. And if we want first 4 letters, we can type from -6 to -2. That's easy, right? Let's add negative step. It will reverse the direction. Now it will go from the end to the beginning. So if we type just -1, we will get reversed list. The same list we can get if we type from -1 to -7 with step of -1. With -6 we will be 1 letter short. Now the task is for you, how to get first 2 letters in reverse order. The answer is from 1 to end in reverse order. In reverse, the end will be our start. Thanks for watching, hope you liked this Python Shorts video about slicing.